Yes, if you could you tell us a little bit more about how climate change is affecting Malawi and what can be done?
Um, there are different ways in which I would say Malawi is being affected by climate change. To begin with, I'll talk about the issue of rainfall. Um, in some years back, the Malawian rainy season was quite predictable. People were sure when the rains would come, and people were sure what time the rains would go. And this made planning for agriculture very simple and straightforward. People knew when to prepare their fields, and sometimes even planted immediately before the rains, so that the rains found seed already in the ground. And when you plant with the first rains or before the first rains, you stand a very good chance of getting high yield, because their crop will be given the opportunity to receive adequate rains. So, because of climate change, we see now that the rainfall pattern is very unpredictable. Sometimes it comes when farmers least expected it, and therefore are not prepared. The fields have not been prepared. Sometimes it will come wee bit late, maybe several weeks after when we normally expected the onset of rains. So all that affects the proper planning for farmers. But I also need to mention that even the consistency is not the same. In years past, after the onset of rains, we would have a consistent pattern of rainfall. If there was a break, then it was an unexpected break, which also allowed farmers to weed their fields. But today we do experience quite extended periods of drought. And sometimes the contrary happens. We'll have floods, all of which are serious negative factors for agricultural productivity.